Hello everyone, I'm Pikachu OTC from Simple Trade and welcome to Hidden Gem, where I'll be reviewing the company GEGP. And I will talk about three things. I'll talk about the breakout right here on May 25th. I'll talk about what happened here, and I'll talk about the current situation and what's going on over here. So let's talk about May 25th and what happened over here. As we go to the OTC markets, we can see that they filed a 10K after about 2 years with no financial filings whatsoever, and with the whole SEC new rule situation, seeing a company at TRIPS filing a 10K, which is an annual report, after 2 years of silence with no financial filings, it is a very good news, and the trader absolutely loved it. And as you can see, the stock went up from 000A to 0016, giving us 100% run in only 1 day. Now what happened over here? For that we will need to go to July the 2nd, and as you can see on the screen, there was some OTC market profile updates for the company. We can see the phone number change, we can see some management change, and also an address change. Now let's dig a little deeper into this situation. On September 10th, 2020, the company filed an 8K form saying on June 27th, 2018, Gold Entertainment Group Incorporation entered into an agreement with Ice Lounge Media Incorporation, a Wyoming corporation. Now, if we move on to the 10K of the company, we can see right here that the company is actually a shell company, as you can see here. And that might indicate that the agreement with Ice Lounge Media is actually a reverse merger and not just an agreement. We can also see here that as of May 21st, the registered had 9.1 billion shares of common stock outstanding. Now that number did not change until today, meaning that there was no and there is no dilution to this stock as of right now. And there are also no debt to the company, meaning it is a clean shell, which is very good for shareholders. And if we scroll down a little bit, we can see here that Phyton, which was the CEO of the company, resigned as an officer and director of the company. The new officers and directors are as follows: Robert, president and director, and James Kander as a director. And they also added here that the company is currently actively seeking new business opportunities or merger candidates. So it is very good news. We can see here change in control, and Robert and James Kander are directors of Ice Lounge Media. So this indicates that the reverse merger is in fact true, and they are in the process of doing so. However, that news was on 2018, meaning there was 3 years of inactivity from the company whatsoever. But on July 2nd, as we saw, the company started to update their profile on the OTC markets, meaning that they are probably in the process of getting current before the new SEC rule, as we saw the new 10K and the OTC markets profile updates. More to that, if we go to the Filing ARI website, we can see that they filed an amendment annual report, and they had to do that because of the change of control. If you entered into that annual report, you can see that James Kander was added here as the president. So this research alone got the stock price to go up all the way to the 0021, and because of the new brokerage such as TD Ameritrade or E-Trade, new restrictions, the stock price went down dramatically because we saw no updates and no further filings from the company for about 1 month. But on August 17th, the company filed the amendment annual report showing that they are still alive, they are still here, and we also saw some OTC markets profile changes on August 23rd, and that was the reason for the volume right here and the fact that the stock closed at the 0009, giving us 50% in 1 day. Now what we are missing right now is 2 annual reports of 2019 and 2020 and 2 quarterly reports of 2021, a verified profile, and some more OTC markets updates. After that, we should see the stop sign goes off, and after that, attorney letter with the pink current stamp. It'll be interesting to see what the stock will bring in the near future due to the whole E-Trade and TD Ameritrade restrictions. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to drop a like, subscribe to the channel, hit that bell notification on so you don't miss any other future videos, and of course join our Discord community.